Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my current favorite lipstick combos with you guys. So I have 4 lipstick combos to share, and these are lipstick combos that I've just been wearing over and over again. So they're kind of like my favorite go-to lip combos, as well as my current favorite lip products. So if you guys are interested in knowing what these products are, and if you're interested in knowing what these lip combos are, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so the very first combo is like a glossy nude lip. So for this combo, you're going to need 3 products. The first product is the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. So pretty much I'm just going to line my lips with this, and I might just overdraw my lips a little bit. And then for lipstick, I have been obsessing over the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Honey. This is a beautiful, like, muted peachy toned nude lipstick. And then to gloss up the look, I've been loving the Quo, I believe is how you pronounce it, Beauty lip oil from Shoppers Drug Mart. So you can find this there. So yeah, this is pretty much the lip combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I like to put on the products. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I love the NYX retractable lip liners just because they're so easy to use. You do not need a sharpener. You just twist the package and it will extend and you'll have more product to use. So I just love that, because I can never find a lip pencil sharpener. It's always a struggle, so that's why I love this product. And also I love the formula. It's just super creamy, super easy to apply on the lips. So once I have the lip liner on and I've kind of just overdrawn my lips a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead in with the lipstick, Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. And what I like to do is keep a little bit of the lip liner showing. This is just gonna add a little bit more dimension to the lips. So you wanna just have a little bit of the lip liner peeking through. Alright, so the very last thing I have to do is top off the lips with the lip oil. So one thing that I love about this product is that it adds a beautiful kind of shine to the lips, but it's not sticky and it's not really heavy either. Like, it's a super lightweight product, which is why I really like it. And again, not sticky at all, and it just adds the perfect amount of shine. Alright you guys, so this is the first lip combo. I am obsessed with this look. If you're someone who doesn't like a gloss, you can definitely skip out on the lip oil and just do the first 2 steps, and it's a beautiful nude lip look. So yeah, I've just been loving this combo recently, so I really wanted to share this with you guys. So now I'm going to take this off and show you the next lip combo. Alright you guys, so the next lip combo is my go-to warm toned, orange toned, neutral lip look. I am obsessed with this. This is probably the lip look that I wear the most out of all 4. So for this lip look, you're going to need 3 products as well. You're going to need the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige once again. And for lipstick, I'm going in with another Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, but this one is in the shade Staunch. If you guys watch my videos, you know this is my ride or die lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. It's like that perfect burnt orange, neutral, warm toned lipstick. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect and so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead in with this. And to top off the lips, I have been loving going in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Gloss. So this gloss is definitely a lot heavier than the lip oil that I mentioned. This lip oil is super lightweight on the lips and it provides a beautiful shine, whereas this gloss is a lot thicker and it provides a really thick application on the lips, but it has a beautiful finish and just a different type of look that I absolutely love. Definitely has that wet look that they kind of market for this lip gloss. So I definitely love this as well, and it's super affordable too. So I'm gonna go ahead in with these 3 products and show you guys kind of how I like to create this lip look. So I'm gonna go ahead in and do the exact same thing that I did for the first lip combo. I'm going to line my lips and just slightly overdraw them. So I'm all done lining my lips. Now I'm gonna go ahead in with Staunch. And I'm doing the exact same thing where I'm letting the lip liner peak just a little bit. So I'm not completely putting this lipstick on top just because it adds that nice dimension to the lips once again. So just the same concept as the first combo. And lastly, I'm just gonna go ahead in and pop on the gloss. So you can see this is a lot thicker. There's a lot more shine to this product. So this is the second lip combo, you guys. I'm obsessed. I feel like this lip combo really makes my lips look really nice and big and plump. I'm obsessed. I also love the tone of the Staunch lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's my favorite. So that is pretty much it for the second lip combo. Now I'm gonna go on to the next one. All right, you guys, so the next lip combo is a peachy toned, bright, glossy lip look. It's a super fresh look, perfect for the spring, perfect for the summer that's approaching. I have been loving this look lately, and pretty much to create it, you're going to just need 2 products. For a lip liner, you're going to need the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Minuteman, and for a lip oil, you're going to need the Merit Beauty lip oil in the shade Marrakesh. So pretty much for this look, what I like to do is fill in my entire lips with the lip pencil, and the reason being is that the lip oil is definitely a little bit more sheer, and throughout the day it does wear out, so I do have to always go back in and reapply it throughout the day because it is an oil, so it absorbs. But having my entire lip filled in with this ensures that I still have nice color to my lips throughout the day, and it just provides extra coverage, which I personally prefer. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So now I'm going to go ahead in with the lip oil. You can see the lip oil does have a tint to it, of course, but having the lip liner at the bottom just ensures more color payoff and just more coverage for the lips. So this is the third lip combo, you guys. You can see it's a super fresh and beautiful lip look. I've been loving it, especially for the spring and with summer just around the corner. I feel like it's a perfect lip look. You got the perfect flush of color on the lips, and I love the shine that the oil provides. It's super subtle, but it's just super beautiful, and I just love the tone of this lip oil. So that's pretty much it for the third combo. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the fourth and final lip look. So the very last lip combo that I've currently been loving that I really wanted to share with you guys today is this hazelnut brown beige toned matte lip look. So for this look, you're just going to need two products. For lip liner, you're going to need the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF3. And for the lipstick, you're going to need the Quo Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Penny Beige. So if you guys watched my recent current favorites video, you guys will know that I did talk about this product as well as the Merit lip oil actually. So I've currently just been loving all of these products, and I've currently been loving these two paired together. It's a beautiful brown beige lip look that's a perfect neutral look that will go with any occasion, daytime, nighttime. It's just amazing. I love it. I've currently been obsessing over this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I like to create this fourth and final lip look. So to start, I'm going in with the Lippie pencil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and slightly overdraw my lips. So that's pretty much it for lip liner, and I'm gonna finish off the look by going in with the lipstick. Just gonna go back in with the Lippie pencil and just touch up the outer part of the lips a little bit. So this is the fourth and final lip look, you guys. I have been loving this so much. I just love the tone of this lipstick, and I know I talked about this in previous videos, like my favorites video, but I just love the formula of this lipstick as well. It's super creamy, super light on the lips. You don't need too much product to get good pigment, and it's also very long lasting. And just a random fact too about this lipstick is that it smells amazing. It smells really, really good, you guys. So I just love this product so much, and I just love this look overall. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys would like to see more videos like this in the future. I know I do a lot of lipstick related videos, and you guys really do enjoy them, and that's honestly because I love lipsticks. I'm definitely obsessed, and I have a lot of products that I love to share with you guys and combos that I love sharing with you guys. So if this is something you guys would like to see again, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more lipstick related videos, because of course I have many videos, you guys can check out my playlist. I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And of course, if you guys have any suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know. And of course, all of the products that I used today and talked about in today's video will also be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.